On 2-pound test.
On 2 pounds. I think you should have that little drag on there. Or that much drag. See it?
Careful, man. Look at that full bend.
No line.
The ultralight.
The ugly
The
stick.
ultralight.
I love ugly sticks. No long distance releases. Oh, look out. It's coming in. Hey, you can grab it right there. It's so small, we can't even see it yet. Oh. It's upset.
It's a little guy.
You're just a little guy. I'm gonna try to horse it in.
No, just you're good. You're good. Just keep playing with it.
No.
No long distance releases. Pull him a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna horse it in.
Okay, let's
give it a big push. Here we go.
Oh,
get it.
Oh, nope, he turned around.
Try to see where I have it hooked. Oh, I just tightened it up. Ain't going nowhere. Do you feel that? There's like no line going out. Oh, that's a good hook. Small one, but...
Smallmouth?
No, small one.
Oh. Damn it, I just was over there.
Oh, if I had the bigger...
Oh.
If I just had the bigger thing. This thing's just gonna get tightened out.
Yeah, he is. Where's your line at?
Straight. It's straight up again.
Yeah.
This is a fight. Yes, we should be fishing with ultralight.
I got one in my truck.
No more of this forcing stuff in. This is what it's about. This is life. Oh, here we go.
Oh, nope, he didn't. Oh boy.
You good.
Oh shit.
Oh, this is I think this one's a better looking one.
This one's cuter?
Yeah. Here we go. He's tired. He's getting tired.
Oh.
He's getting tired. Oh yeah.
There she is. Food. Meat.
I didn't even think there was anything on this line. Alright. That was just a hook.
Where is it? Oh.